Divine Detox Goddesses, you are truly awesome. Thank you so much for your presence in my life and in our Facebook group. Christine here again with day 5 of our Rock Your Detox 7-Day Challenge. Today is an action step day. Yesterday I shared a lot of information about what it takes to incorporate the healing foods, behaviors, and emotions that we all want to experience on our detox path. Well, what I'm going to share in this video will help you accelerate your detox and healing journey by adding the most healing foods and by really looking at what behaviors and emotions can support your journey. So I have an awesome handout for you today because today's strategy is to incorporate one healing food, one healing behavior, and one healing emotion that can help you stay on your detox path and maybe even move a little more quickly towards radiant health. You can find that handout link in this post, so after this video, you can go download that, read it over, and then fill in the simple template I've provided for you. Yesterday, I went into a lot of detail about focusing on the positives, how important it is to eat the most healing fruits and veggies, and how helpful it can be to embrace behaviors and emotions that will help you heal more quickly and easily. So if you haven't watched the day 4 video yet, I encourage you to pause this video and go back and watch that one first. What I want to do is give you a quick overview of the foods, behaviors, and emotions that are best to incorporate to make your detox more successful. Let's start with the most healing foods. The foods that are best to incorporate when you are on the Divine Detox diet are citrus, grapes, melons, berries, mangoes, apples, pears, bananas, and dates. You can certainly eat any other fruits, but in my years of experience with my own detox and working with other women, I find these to be the best at supporting a proper and effective detox. The most healing veggies are tender leafy greens, celery, cucumbers, sprouts, beets, carrots, zucchini, tomatoes, peppers, and to a certain extent avocados. They are pure fat and high protein, but they are a great veggie fruit for transitioning to or maintaining a basic detox diet. These are all alkaline forming foods that will speed up your detox. Now on your handout, I've listed those foods so you have that list to choose what you will incorporate this week that you haven't already. Okay, let's talk a bit more about behaviors and emotions and how they can make or break our detox. Sadly, we women have many emotions and addictions, and we are easily distracted from what we say we are committed to doing. So we succumb to the biggest detox saboteurs and fall off the detox wagon again and again and again. So, what behaviors and emotions can we incorporate to help us overcome our own self-sabotage? Well, in your handout, you're going to find a list that you can choose from to add behaviors and emotions you feel will help you at this point on your detox journey. But I'll stress again that gratitude for each day and a big helping of self-love are going to help you most to move forward on your path. And make sure to read your detox why each day, and make food and menu planning, rest, relaxation, and stress reduction part of every single day you walk your detox success path. With foods and with positive behaviors and emotions, you are creating an alkaline environment in your body and deep divine spiritual consciousness. And these are what your body, mind, and spirit crave so you can heal. So your action step is to go download that handout and fill out the template with at least one healing food, one healing behavior, and one healing emotion that can get you rocking your detox this week. Then come share that in the Facebook group, even if you just share that you've completed it. And make sure you take a few minutes to do that today, because it will impact what we are doing tomorrow. Because if you truly want to rock your detox, it is imperative that you make a written detox diet plan. Because without this plan, you are likely to fall off your detox success path over and over again. So tune in tomorrow to learn more about the Divine Detox Diet and how to make your diet plan and make it easy for you to rock your detox. And as always, I send you all my love, compassion, and hope for your healing. Namaste.